Okay, we're just waiting for the others to come in. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for coming in today again. Okay, today we're going to start making paper birds, which is called origami. Before I start, though, did all of you monitor your house bird houses? Did you put it in gardens? Dia, why don't you tell me? Did you put your birdhouse in the garden? Did you see if any birds came?
No, miss.
Okay. Shambhavi, could you see if birds came into your birdhouse? Did you have the time to put the birds in?
No, no, ma'am. I put it in my garden, but no bird came.
Oh, okay. Did you also put the feeder? Did you put it there so that they could also eat food?
No, no, ma'am. I forgot.
So see, that's one more thing. If you put the feeder, then generally more birds come in. Yatishri, did you put the thing up? Did you see any birds come into your garden?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Did you put it in the garden?
Balcony.
Balcony. Yeah, okay. Okay, even without the birdhouse, if you just put grain and water, no? Like if you just put food and water, even then the birds come in. So you don't necessarily have to have the birdhouse, but the food source and the water source is what is mainly important for birds. And a lot of plants. Like if you don't have plants around, then they don't feel invited. So there has to be plants, food, and water.
Okay,
And if
ma'am.
you, yeah, yeah.
I kept food on my windowsill, and I saw many birds coming and eating.
Oh, that is so lovely. Somebody sent a photo to me of the cardboard birdhouse that we'd made. They put it and they tied it to their windowsill with the mouth outwards. So then the birds actually, and they used to do the same thing, put it on the windowsill. So the birds first only came to eat the food. Then after some time, he found two eggs in the birdhouse. So the birds started using the birdhouse also, and that's really what we want, no, by the end of it, that the birds actually start using it. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you two things. The first thing is how to make birds from just one piece of paper. And why I'm teaching you this is, you can make many, how we make aeroplane with paper and then we fly the aeroplane. So here also we'll make birds. I'll teach you how to make one bird, but I'll, on the WhatsApp group that we have, I'll put up different kinds of bird making. So then you can just put one string and put all the birds together in a line. Then you'll have this one long string with paper birds hanging on it, and you can put it near the birdhouse. Sometimes that also helps, and if it's colorful, then it really helps attract birds, right? um, the other thing that I'm going to teach you is, because we have a lot of plastic at home, especially plastic bottles that we use. So the other thing we are going to look at is how to use a plastic bottle to make a lamp, right? Lamp is easy. Another thing you can make with plastic bottle is, I'm sure you all use pen. So a pen stand is really simple. So you can also just make a pen stand, right? But we're going to start with the paper. Does everybody have one sheet of paper?
Yes.
Oh, that's a big paper, dear. Okay, you can fold the paper in half, because I'll tell you. See, I have a normal A3 size of paper, right? Also, something that I want to tell
Ma'am,
you all is,
is A4 sheet size enough,
yeah,
ma'am?
yeah, yeah. A4 is good. What we need a perfect square, right? So this is also A4. I'm going to cut it into a square. I'll show you how. So this, I'm just going to fold like this, okay? And once you fold it, you align it like this
Ma'am, what
to,
are we making today?
we're making, it's called origami. Origami is the art of folding paper to make different shapes. So today we're going to fold paper and make a bird from it. So I will teach you how to do one of them. There are many ways to do it. There's a way that you can make a parrot. There's a way that you can make a swan, a flamingo. So there are many different kind of birds that you can make from paper without cutting the paper, by just folding it. And that's what origami is. Okay. So what we're going to do is here. This was an A4 size of paper. Whatever you have, just fold it diagonally, and then you'll have this extra piece of paper on the bottom, right? You have to cut out this extra piece of bottom so that we just have a square that we're working with. All right, so you fold it, and whatever this excess is, tear it out. Okay, I'm going to tear this out. You all also take your time. Over the weekend, I was so surprised, but somebody sent me a picture of an owl, and they found the owl on their windowsill after they started like putting out food for birds. But I have never seen. In fact, I'll share it with you. Wait 1 second. Um, yeah, I'm going to share screen. Oh, um, yeah, yeah, good dear. That's what we're supposed to do. Okay, so I'm going to try to show you the picture of the owl that someone sent me. Can you see it? Can you see the owl?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this was something that somebody saw in their windowsill after they started putting out the food. I think this is something that I've never seen before. So that was really interesting for me. Okay, all
Ma'am,
right. Yes, hi Siddhit.
ma'am, is this a side of paper of
Okay. So what we're doing, Siddhit, did you just join in? That paper is fine. What we're doing is we've so just take the corner of the paper and fold it so that it's an exact square. And whatever is this extra piece, no, cut it out. So basically, we need an exact square to start making the bird. Origami is a Japanese form of art. And the beauty of origami is that you only make the creature by folding paper. You don't do anything else. You don't cut the paper, you don't make special creases, just do it. Okay, so now this is my paper, and you know how one of the diagonals is clearly visible, right? Okay, so now the next thing that we're going to do is that's one triangle, right? I'm going to now take the center of this triangle and then make another triangle. Okay, all right. It does help if I see what you guys are doing so that I know that we're on the same page. But what we basically did was that we created one, and then we created a second triangle. Okay, great. So now I have a smaller triangle. So the next square, yeah.
Why it is still here at it.
Okay, I'm sorry. What?
Still
Can I?
here that I don't know. What should
Oh,
I
okay. I'm telling you what to do. Right. So you folded the paper, no? Then you
do?
must have some extra paper underneath, right? Cut off the extra paper. So
Okay,
we
ma'am.
just
Yes.
need a perfect square. Okay,
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
that's what we're working with. Great.
I'm right, ma'am. I will cut it.
Yeah. No problem. No problem. Take your time.
Yes.
All right, great. So once you have the perfect square, what we did was we made one triangle, two triangle. Okay. Now, whenever you make folds in origami, you have to make sure that you make the lines deep because it's with the help of these lines that we actually fold the paper. Okay. So once you've cut it, make two triangles. After that, what we do is we will now just open one side, okay, like this, and fold it.
Ma'am, how did we done? I can't understand.
Okay, I'll show you again. So this is the square, okay? Everybody has the square? Right. So we make one triangle. Yeah. We make two triangle. Okay. Now in the second triangle, there must be four pieces of paper down, no? Hold three of them and take out the fourth one. Okay. So here, this is the second triangle. In the bottom, there are four pieces of paper. So I'm going to hold three of them and take out the fourth one. Then it forms like a diamond, right? So you just fold the diamond together. Okay. Now can you see what it is? Yeah.
Ma'am, I have made.
Yes. Good. Most of it is like that only. Okay. So we've done our third step. Now that we have this, we are also going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay. So now you've made one diamond here. Now this part that is open, you make a second diamond on the other side with it. So the other diamond will come behind. Okay.
Ma'am, are we making a paper screen?
I'm sorry, what?
What are we making, ma'am? A
We're
paper
making
screen?
no, we're making a bird. We're making a bird with paper. All right. So now, has everybody followed till here? Now we have a diamond with
Oh, ma'am. I'm gonna try.
no. Okay. I'll do it again. If you've not followed till here, then I'll do it again.
I did that two folds of triangle, ma'am. Then what should I do?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Now, oh, okay. Wait, I'll show you again.
Now my screen is
Then from the
breaking.
beginning. Okay, can you see me now? Yeah, square, right? First step was number 1. Okay, so we have the first step, which is this triangle.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we fold it. So we have second triangle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you hold 3 sections and you only make a diamond like this.
How to do, ma'am?
Okay.
I have like this four triangles, ma'am. How to do that diamond?
I'll show you how to do the diamond. 1 second.
This is small.
Okay, this is my second triangle. Now hold 3 sheets of paper from down. Okay, so you
Yes,
only
ma'am, I
have one.
hold.
Yeah, then the 4th sheet, open it, take it outward, then it forms a diamond automatically. Is it forming a diamond? It will become, it will become like one square and one triangle. See, like this.
I don't know how to do.
Ma'am, like this?
Yeah. Adhirit, you've got it right. Kapoor, are you with me? Okay,
Ma'am,
I'll
should
show
it
you
look
again.
like this when we open it this way?
I'm sorry, who was speaking again?
Should it look like this when we grasp two
Yeah,
places?
when you open the entire thing, have you ever made color, which color do you choose? It looks like that. So when you open the whole thing, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines. So this is my square.
Yes.
My first fold.
I don't know how to do
Yeah,
diamond.
I'm doing that. This is my first fold. This is my second fold. Okay, now for the diamond, look very carefully. Okay, from bottom, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 pages that I will hold. Then the 4th page is the movable page, right? So I'm going to take it out and fold it on the side. So it makes one square, and it has this tail coming out. It's a square with a triangular tail. Okay.
Yes. 1 minute. I'm not getting how to
Ma'am,
fold.
like this?
Just pull it out. Pull it out, Kapoor. Pull it out. Yeah,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
fold it from the center. Fold it from the center. It automatically will fold from the center.
Is it like this?
Yes, it is like that. It is like that. Adhirit, you've got it right. Here, that's your triangle. You have to open it, and in the center, just fold it. Like here, the center line should have a fold. Then it will become a square. Yeah. Pull it. Attach the 2 corners. This corner, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Take
ma'am.
it to the
I
other
guess.
corner. Yeah, attach it to the other side. Then it becomes a square.
Minute.
Okay. Now I'm going to work with Kapoor to finish this step. For those who've already finished this, you have to do the same thing on the other side. So you have to make another diamond. Okay. This is diamond number 1. Then you take this tail side, and you fold it inside. So it makes diamond number 2. Okay.
Ma'am, should it look like this?
Yes, it should.
Ma'am, what did we do the now step? I can't understand. Can you show me?
Yes, I will show you. Give me just 1 second. So I'm going to show it from the beginning. Yeah.
Ma'am, is it like this? Ma'am, this is the first fold of my diamond.
Yeah. Kapoor, you've got it. That's the first fold of your diamond. All
Ma'am,
right.
my name is Akhil, not Kapoor.
Sorry, can you tell me your name again? Because it keeps showing Kapoor. That's why I'm calling you Kapoor. What's your name again?
Showing Akhil only. Akhil.
Akhil. Okay, Akhil, you've got it right. That's what it is. Yeah.
Ma'am, how to do the second fold?
The second fold is, I will show you. So now you take this extra, this tail, right? And just do the same thing. Here, like that. Then it becomes a diamond.
Is it like this?
Yeah.
Now what's the next step?
Yes, we are now going to do the next step. I am finishing my own thing so that we can go ahead. Yeah. Okay, so everybody has their diamond, right? This is what my diamond.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, okay. See, this is a full paper. This is a full paper on both sides, and from inside, it's like a V on both sides, right? Is that what it looks like for you also?
Yes.
Right? Okay, great. Now what you do is,
Ma'am, can you repeat the first step?
oh, the first step is very far away. Wait. What your bird right now looks like is that it has one full page on this side, one full page on this side, and from the middle, it's like a V. Okay, so it has wings on both sides, right? Now, what we do is, now we will fold it very little to the center from both sides. So if this is my thing, take
Ma'am, your
one
voice
of
is
these,
breaking.
bring, okay, can you see me?
Ma'am, how much? Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Yeah. See, can have you reached this step? Do you have a piece of small square in your hand, right? Now
Where?
what you do is take one side from here and bring
This
it to
one?
the center, like this. Okay.
This.
Yeah. Okay. Now do the same thing with the other side. So this is my other side paper, and I'm going to bring it to the center and fold. Okay. Can you see it?
Ma'am, I can't
Like
see
this. Yes.
you. Ma'am, now I
Now,
can see. What should we do? I missed out on a lot, ma'am. I
okay.
I had some
I'm going
internet
to,
problems.
that's all right. I'm going to show you from the beginning. In the beginning, we had a full paper and we cut it into a perfect square. How did we do that? We folded the paper like this, and then there was some extra paper, and we threw out the extra paper. So we have a perfect square. We make the first big triangle, and then we fold from the center, and that becomes a second triangle. Okay. Then we take the uppermost layer of the second triangle and open it to form a square like this, like a diamond. Okay, this is step 3. In step 4, we do the same thing with the other side.
Ma'am, I'm having continuous internet issues. Please.
Okay, so I can suggest something to you. If you're having continuous internet issues, let's do one thing. I will make a video and I will send you the video, okay? So that I can at least continue with the other children who've come.
Yes.
All right, thank you for joining and taking the time. All right, so now we are at this step. And what we did was we took one from here and folded it like that. And we took another wing from the other side and did the same thing to it. Okay, that is what it should look like.
Ma'am, this?
Yeah. All right. Now you repeat the same process behind also. So now you go to the back side and again take the corner. Okay, you do the same process. This is in the front. Then the same process, you go back, take the corner, bring it to the center. Okay. Same here, take the corner and bring it to the center.
Ma'am, I have like this one. What's the next step?
Kumar, can you, Akhil, can you bring it a little closer to the screen? I just want to see if you've done it right. Akhil, I don't think this is done right. See, you made the diamond. Come to the diamond. This is the diamond. Okay. Then I'm taking one corner of the diamond and bringing it to the center. No. Bring it straight to the center. Don't take, Akhil, open it. Yeah, okay. Now see, now wait. Where all the paper comes together, no? Hold that side.
All the papers together. Ma'am, everything should come.
As in?
Ma'am, also I should fold this one. This upper one.
Okay.
Ma'am, I can't.
Yeah, okay. Now that we have this, we are just going to close the top. Okay, so bring the top down.
Ma'am, it closed.
Yeah, so now you have like a triangle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now you open the triangle, open this and take this out.
Oh, 1 minute. What triangle? Triangle. This one.
Yeah.
This one.
Okay. What I'm going to do, let's try one simple quick exercise. Okay. So I had already made, we already have a ready-made video for this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on chat so that if you ever miss a step, you can always look at this video and not really lose out on it, right? And this is just one kind of origami bird. There are many different kinds of birds. Okay.
I got.
Yeah, right. So now we're going to the next step. Now that we've opened it, we open it up like this. So it's like a boat it has become, okay? Yeah, and you properly make the creases. All right. Now you can go back.
I fold the top and I got the triangle. Next step. I should also.
Then you open it from both sides.
Like this.
Yeah. Okay. Now, so everybody's come down to this step. No, we've got the triangle. Now that we've got the triangle, you open the head of the triangle and here, open this entire thing and create like a boat like this. See, okay, that's the boat, but you have to properly mark it on both sides. Same we will do to the other side. We will open the other side, okay, like this, and we'll create the boat. All right, that's the second step. Has everybody reached till here? Have we all reached till here? Can you all show me? Yeah. Poonam. Okay, I'll help you again. Wait. Okay, I'm going to go back to the triangle phase. Okay, Poonam, you're at the triangle, no? Show me your thing. Poonam, you know what you've done? You've done it ulta. Like basically, this folding that you have to do, no? You have to do it like this. this. Then the top of your head, this thing, this no, the triangle on the top. Now it is two parts, no, because you have done with the bottom half. It has to be the same one. So I'll show you. But it's okay, Poonam, don't worry. I'll send you the video so you can continue. You've done it very well till now. Then we close it like this so that it's like it's wearing a coat. Similarly, we make it wear a coat behind us and then we close it, okay? And that's what we have. We have a diamond. Now we have to open up the diamond. So we open this thing, take one layer of the paper and make it like a boat. Okay. So I have one boat here. Can you see this? Here. It becomes like a boat. And we make the boat on the other side also. We open this up. So it becomes like a boat. Okay. Now we are actually very close to making the bird. This is what it looks like. And from the other side also, this is what it looks like. Okay. Now, this is where the tricky part is. Now we have to take the side and fold it in a way that we can form the head of the here of the bird. Okay, that is the head of the bird, and this becomes the here. This also we have to fold inside, so it becomes the okay. Let's do this exercise for people who have not been able to get it till now. I'm going to repeat it from the beginning. Okay. That's our original piece of paper, which now has too many markings on it. What we did was we first created a direct square. Now, then we made the first triangle. Then we made our second triangle, right? Then we folded our second triangle into a square diamond and a triangle. And then we also made the same diamond on the other side. This is clear with everyone, right? Now from here, see, this point is the point where all of them are being held together. So what we have to do is that from the point that they're all being held together, we have to make it come to the center, like as if it's wearing clothes. Okay. Same we do from the other side. And then we turn it and we create the same coat on the other side. All right. Now that we have all the coats, we're just going to do this. All right. Now we actually open it and then take this layer to make like a boat. All right. That's the first step. Same thing we do to the other side. We go to the other side and then we open this layer. Yeah. Open it and we again take this and we make a boat. All right. Okay. So we have two of these. Now we take the side Now is the tricky portion of it. You have to open the side and make like a face. Right? That's the face of the bow, and on the other side also. There you go. This is your bird. There. Do you see the bird? This. That's the bird. That's the oh, Shambhavi, that's so beautiful. You've made it perfectly. Shambhavi, try to take the pull the try to pull this. Then yeah. Shambhavi, see your bird is flying now. Perfect. That's what the bird is supposed to do. This is a simple bird. I've sent you one of the I've sent you a video of how to do this. Now, do we want to make more?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
So that's one bird. We can also make another bird. Do you want to make another bird, or do you want to learn how to make the lamp from bottles? What do you want to do? We can do whatever. Diya, Yatishri, what do you want to do? Okay,
We can make a lamp.
great. Do you have bottles at your house? So I will teach you.
Yes, ma'am.
The bottle is actually very easy. Get the bottle, go. Let's take a 2-minute break. Let's go back and get our bottles, okay? And then we'll make the lamp. Okay, I'm gonna go to Okay, so now depending on whether you have a plastic bottle at home or a glass bottle. Oh, great, you have plastic, that works. With plastic bottle, the thing is we can't, the smaller lights that come at home, the ones which are not very hot, that's the light that you can use with plastic bottles. But if you use a normal bulb, then the plastic melts, so that's something that we should not use. Okay. What you can use this for, without making a lamp, is also to make a plant holder. And to make a, we can either do a lamp. A lamp is better with a glass bottle, because what happens is glass does not melt, right? So with this, what we'll do today is that we'll try to make a plant holder. Okay. All right. So the first thing we do for this is, as usual, we have to cut this. Okay. Um, all right. Do you all have access to either scissors or a knife? If you have a knife, last time, like I taught you, if you just heat the knife, it will very easily cut. But if you don't have a knife, that's also all right. We can use a scissor for this. Now, generally, when I make it with plastic, I actually keep this going, right? Um, it can become a very self-sustaining one. Simple way to make a plastic plant holder is that you. Hello, I'm so sorry I got disconnected. Right. So I was saying the simplest way to make a plant holder with plastic bottle is that you have to put it like this, not like this. Okay. So you have to add a rope here and tie a rope here. So it becomes like this from two sides, and you cut out a triangle like that. Okay. So the holder stays like this, and this portion will come out, and then you have to put soil inside it. And the easiest thing that you can plant is something that you can actually do at your home. If your mother uses chili, then put chili plant, chili seeds. If your mother uses coriander, ask her for coriander seed and put coriander seed, right? So if you have your scissors or your knives right now, you can make the triangle. Okay, just cut out a triangle from here like that. All right. So that is one way of making planters. The second way of making planters, I'm just going to take you all to my kitchen so that we do this. There is something I wanted to show you all. I don't know if you can see this, but okay. Mm. Here, this is when you have used up pens. You can just put used up pens on hanger and make like a chandelier with used up pens, right? So we've just taken a hanger rope or a hanger wire and hung all the pens together so that it makes like a small chandelier. And then if you put the bulb in the center of that, then it becomes an actual working light source. Now, we've used. See, I'm going to show you that trick that I did with the knife. So I'm just going to quickly warm my knife and show you how it very easily will then go through the plastic. Okay, so that's the hot knife, and all I have to do is this. Just push it, and then it automatically starts burning. Can everybody show me this? Diya, Anna, Yatashri, can you show me your bottles? Then I can see if we are doing the right way. Okay, so that's the first way of making a planter, which is the easiest way. Again, I'm going to simply put up a video for you to see because these are the easy planters. Okay. Okay, in the chat, I've put up one of the links to this planter, which is the easy one. Now, I'm also going to teach you another planter, which is a little more difficult than this is, okay? For this, you have to cut the plastic into half, all right? And after cutting the plastic into half, here, we will, we will cut strips. So like we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they'll all be attached at the bottom. Just from the top, we'll have different strips, okay? Can you show me, can all of you show me your planters? Then I will know that you're going on the right way. If you have any doubts, yeah, good, Anna, yeah. Oh, Anna, how did you make those 2 holes? Very nice. Ah, smart. You heat. Very good, Anna. Very good, very good. So as I said, if you're using scissors or knives, if you just heat it, it makes cutting plastic much more easier. All right. Okay. So today we've made one paper bird, which is origami, and also we've made 2 planters. Okay. So I'm going to put both the Okay, so now in chat, I'm going to give you the 2 very simple videos that if even if you've not completed both the planters today, you can watch these videos. And see, this video that I put up is the simplest. It is the simplest kind of plastic planter that you can make. The second one that I'm going to put now is what we did in the first time, and that's a little more difficult. because it holds the plant better than the one that I've shared right now. But the way you all are making them, I'm sure that you'll be able to do the second one. The second one is the long planters, where we hang it from both sides and we actually put the soil in the middle. And that's something you can do at home because you can grow something as simple as coriander, chili, mint, um, tulsi plant that your mother must have at home. All of these small, spicy leaves, these all can be grown at home. Okay. So I've shared three video links today. One is for origami birds. I would say that you should make more birds, put them on a string, and then put it wherever you've put up your bird house so that more birds come in. And if you watch these videos, you can also then make planters out of plastic bottles. So every time you buy Coke or whatever, you can actually, without throwing away the plastic, you can use it in your own kitchen garden. And even kitchen gardens bring in more birds because that's a form of food. All right. Thank you so much for being with me today. What I'll do is also on WhatsApp, I'll put up the different kind of birds that you can make with paper. It's a little bit of a practice, but oh, very good, Anna. Very good. See, you've made it. So now you just need to find two ropes. What I do is generally I collect, yeah, very good, dear. You've also done it. What I generally do is I collect two, three of the same kind so that I can make one long, like I can put three of them in the same line. So I take two ropes and hang all three together. Then it becomes like a three-tier garden. And then you can plant coriander, mint, and chili on all those three. Okay. Thank you so much, Diya, Yathishri, Arna, Shambhavi, Siddhit, and Poonam for being here. I will put up the videos also on your WhatsApp group. And if you want to share, once you've created the whole thing, if you want to share your experience, send a video, or just your things, like the things that you've made in these 3 weeks, then I'd be very happy. And if you want to continue doing this, just tell your parents to give us a message. And whenever we have some workshop like this, especially with plastic, we'll definitely call you in. Um, do you guys want to say anything about how you felt when you did this workshop? Anything you learned? It's okay. You can also say you didn't learn anything. If you didn't like it, you can say that also. Yathishri, what did you think? Okay, I think Yathishri is having internet issues. All right. I think that is it for today. Our meeting's also going to end. Yes, Arna, you wanted to say something?
At my house, more than 50, 100 sparrows, 50 pigeons, and 10 crows comes. Maybe tailor birds and maynas too. After this workshop, I got more ideas how to bring more birds and give them food and show them a way that you can stay here and it's safe.
Thank you so much, Arna. Honestly, that was the aim of this,
Ma'am,
and I'm so glad. Yes, Dia. Thank you for sharing that, Arna.
I learned how to reuse plastic and make houses and things for animals.
Thank you so much for sharing that too, Dia. I really hope that now you can look around you, and whenever you look at plastic, you can think of ways to reuse it. Because really, otherwise, the way plastic is taking over the planet, we soon won't have land for human beings anymore. Oh, that is so beautiful. Thank you for sharing that, Dia.
Thank you, ma'am.
And really, Arna, I'm so inspired by the way you think. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys have a lovely weekend. And if you ever feel like wanting to learn more of this, you know where to find us, by the way. Okay? Thank you so much for being here. Hope you all have a lovely weekend. Bye.